Now next topic is kinds of equality. Now Kanta is one of the many people who live in democratic India and who have the right to vote. So like Kanta, everyone have the right to vote, but whose daily living and working conditions are far from equal. Now there is a difference in living condition and in working condition. There we can't see the equality. Now in this on this page we have two stories based on the real incident. Now these two incidents will show us how inequality is present in the society now also. Now inequality in India is the caste system. As we have read in class 6th, there was a caste system, and lower caste was treated as untouchable people, and they were not allowed to share the common properties like wells, taps, etc. So even now also after the independence we can see this caste system is still present, and that is hindering the equality among all people. Now look at this matrimonial ad. Now here everything is asked, and there is one caste no bar, SC ST excuse. It means even today also we mention the specially caste system. So now look at these. Now let us read a story about the experience of a Dalit child. Who is Dalit? Dalit means broken. Before they were called untouchable people. So now because it is prohibited, so the word Dalit is used for lower caste, and it means Om Prakash Valmiki is a famous Dalit writer. In his autobiography Juthan, he writes, "I had to sit away from the others in the class, and that too on the floor. The mat ran out before reaching the spot I sat on. Sometimes I would have to sit away behind everyone, right near the door. Sometimes they would beat me without any reason." So this boy, he shares his experience that when he was going to school, he was not allowed to sit on the bench but on the floor. And even though sometimes if he wanted to sit in front, he was not allowed. He was always sitting at the back of the students, and that also near the door. And without any reason, he was sometimes got the beating too. And this happened when he was just in class 4th. A class 4th student is very small. So one day headmaster asked him to sweep the whole playground, and that playground was very large, and he was physically very small, and he could not handle that cleaning. And as he was doing, his back started aching, and the whole dust was covering on his face. Rest of the children were studying in the class, but he was allowed to sweep the whole playground. He was not allowed to sit even, and if he wanted to drink water, he was not allowed to drink water. Om Prakash was made to sweep the school and the playground for the next couple of days. It means for many days he was allowed to do the same work, and he was not allowed to sit in the class. But one day his father notices that. Then he confronted the teacher, and he told him that Om Prakash here had to study, and not only he will study, but other lower caste students also are going to study here because they have this right to study. The second story is based on an incident that took place in one of India's largest city, and here one couple, Mr. and Mrs. Ansari, who were looking for to rent an apartment in the city. So they got the job and they wanted a house on rent. So they were looking. But what happens when they went to a landlady, and they asked for the house, what excuse she gave? She made an excuse about how she could not rent the house to someone who ate meat, because the building did not have any non-vegetarian residents. So she was just making the excuse because she heard that they were Muslims. So that's why she did not allow them. But at the same time, What was surprising there, the fish smell was coming from the other room which was being cooked there. So they went from there, and they went to the other landlord for the apartment. The same excuse they got from there also. And finally, the property dealer told him that they should change their name. They should keep themselves Mr. and Mrs. Kumar. But Ansari told they will not change their name, because that is their right. They should not change their name. But finally, they got one landlady who was willing to give them a place on rent.